I'll give you $100,000 for him right now.
I'm good, man. $100,000, I'm good.
Really? Why is that?
Because I love him.
What about $1 million? If I could get $1 million together, would you do it? Wow, that is special.
Love him.
I'll buy one for $10,000.
Oh, I wouldn't be able to do it.
Okay. I'm willing to offer you $100,000 for your dog.
I still wouldn't be able to do
You
it.
can't do that?
No.
Just for one of them?
No.
I'll buy $10,000 for your dog. $100,000?
Yeah.
I have exactly $100,000.
Nice.
$100,000.
Oh, let's do it. Let's do it.
You interested?
For sure. Babe, we're selling
and-
Birdie for $100,000.